Hey, sixth grade. This is your math lesson due for tomorrow, lesson 131. So let's talk a little bit about it. We've talked about the fact that every percent has an equivalent fraction and decimal. 0.11 is the same as 11 over 100 and 11%. So every fraction has an equivalent percent and decimal. So what do you do if you have a fraction that doesn't have a denominator of 100? All right, what do you do to figure out a fraction, what the percent? So something like this, 4 over 7 equals what percent? Okay, so this is percent column. What's our denominator always going to be in this proportion? What is the total of percent? When you have everything, you have what? You have 100 right here for your percent column. Now you can solve this by proportion, right? So we have a missing number, x, 7x equals 100 times 4. You can just write that down right away if you want to. 400. Okay? Do the math, do the steps. 7 divided by 7 equals 7 times x, 7 divided by 7, 400 divided by 7. So what is 400 divided by 7? Turn these remainders into fractions for now. 7 into 40 is what? 5, 35, 50. 7 into 50 is 7, and that'll be 49. You'll have a remainder of 1. So make that 57 and 1/7. You'll have a subtract here. Hope you can see it. 57 and 1/7 percent. Okay, you're looking for percent. So make sure that you have the percent sign. 57 and 1/7 percent. So work these as proportions. Those of you that have worked ahead already, if you have worked ahead in your books, check this work, okay? If you did not do it by proportion, fine, but make sure that you came up with the right answer. The rest of you, if you're just now doing it, you should work the proportion. It's a good way to do it, okay? So you're always taking a fraction, 4/7, comparing it to missing number over 100, okay? 400 divided by 7 is what this comes up with. 7x equals 400. 7 divided by 7, 400 divided by 7. If you have a remainder, make it a fraction and make sure you put percent. This must be a percent answer. Okay? So just check your work out. If you're working ahead, when I teach this lesson, it would not be a bad idea to go back over and check it out. Because some of you that work ahead, you know that you get some wrong. Because you didn't do it exactly right or you weren't sure, but that's fine. Just check it out then. All right, let's do another one. Just to make sure we got it. Then I'll let you go. It's about 9 over 20. 9 over 20. Equals always over 100. Okay? So we have an equation of 20x equals 9 times 100. Let's just put that here. 9 times 100. Do every step. 20x equals 900. 20x divided by 20 equals 900 divided by 20. Do the math. 900 divided by, down a little bit, divided by 20. 20 into 90, 4, 80, 100, 20 into 100, 45, oh my word, 45. Your answer is X equals 45%. Don't forget the percent, okay? And check it. So 9, what's 50% of 20? 10 is 50% of 20, so does it make sense that 9 could maybe be 45% of 20? Yes, it's going to be close in there, so make it make sense. You can check your work here. Replace the X with 45. 20 times 45 equals 100. Okay? Just carefully do your work. All right. Take care of yourselves today. A lot of stuff going on. Stay in unless you have to do any run around. Get your work done. It's a good time to get your work done. You're not supposed to be out and about anyway. All right. Have a great day.